Before we start, you'll need the head immobiliser, access to a vacuum or suction line, and you'll need 2 Bead. So out of the box, we'll have the hood assembly, which will connect to the base assembly, like so. And there's a 4-head strap. For installation, we need to make sure that the hood assembly clears the mattress. Push it all the way home. Then you can lower the hood assembly and make sure the valve is open. Then before placing the patient's head in the immobiliser, we need to make sure that the beads are evenly distributed into the lobes. Just make sure the ears are aligned in between the lobes like that. Placing your hand underneath the head of the patient, releasing the lever. To take the weight, you can adjust the height to suit the patient. You can also rotate should you need to. Once you've got it in the right position, lock it up. At this point, we want to make sure that the beads are evenly distributed. So you can do that by pushing up and squeezing up against the patient's head. See the beads filling up. We can connect the suction tubing, making sure that the valve is in the open position this whole time. And now we can evacuate for 10 seconds. Then we can close the valve, disconnect the tubing, and the patient is nice and secure. For added security, you can apply the Velcro strap. To release the patient, just remove the Velcro strap and open the valve.